Hello everyone, my name is Ananay Singh, roll number 20MT30003, and this is my DIY submission for assignment 2. I have made this chess piece, as you can see. I made it using the revolution function. Then at last I created a mesh for this piece. Then I exported this as an STL file. So this is the Cura software. Here I have made the settings like this. The infill density is 70%. The infill pattern is triangles. Material printing temperature is 200. Build plate temperature is 80. And as you can see, the all other settings. It shows it will take 48 minutes to print this. Also, I have increased the size of this chess piece and flipped it into this orientation because it was more stable to print it like this. Then I will save this to the disk. Now it can be used to generate the G codes which will be provided to the 3D printer, and our final chess piece will be printed. Thank you for watching.